Well. Here we are. It's Monday. It's May the 11th, and I'm Teacher Mark. And this is 5A, so let's go. Let's see what's coming for the day today. In math class, we're actually doing something a little different. We're working with powers of 10, which today's stuff is it's sort of like review. I think it should be pretty easy. Multiplying and dividing based on powers of 10, 10, 100, 1000. We were just doing some of that with decimals. What we're doing today is sort of similar. Working with tens is usually a little different. It's a lot easier to do in your head. So hopefully today the Khan Academy stuff will be mostly, I think, pretty simple. I think a lot of it's review. So if you do have any questions, though, you can always ask. For language arts, we're just doing some reading today, and we get to write down some words that we maybe don't know or that we don't know very well, challenge words. There's a mini lesson where I explain it a bit more, but be on the lookout for that. The wonder reading for today, again, we're going to continue with Via's perspective. We get to see it from a different character's point of view. So that's basically what we're going to see today, is a little more of what Via's life is like. In English class, we just have to answer some comprehension questions about the story that we read today. I have a little mini lesson video where I explain each question a little bit more. But yeah, all the answers are they're just in the text, basically. If you guys have any trouble finding them, though, definitely let me know. Because I think the questions, they're meant for you to, read and find the answers, but it's also to sort of help think about things, because I think a lot of you guys have brothers and sisters, and that's a lot of what Via talks about today, is what it's like being a bigger sister. She lived part of her life with being the only child, and now she's not. So I think that's something we can understand, a lot of us. But yeah, today really in class we just have to answer some questions based on the reading from earlier. And then in social studies we get to have a little Zoom call where we're going to review some things about World War II. I have a little worksheet that we're going to go over. It lists some events and things that happened in World War II, and we get to say whether that was a thing that the Axis powers did or the Allies powers were doing. We're going to talk about what those things are. Who are the Allies? What is the Axis? All those things. We're basically just going to review stuff from World War II from last week. So just have the worksheet with you. The Zoom call is at 12:45, and we'll talk about those things, answer some questions, and learn a lot. And that's basically all I have to tell you guys this morning. I think it'll be a pretty good day. But until I see you, I hope you're having a wonderful day. And yeah, let me know if there are any questions, guys. See you later.